Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can hide likes over on Twitter. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Now first of all, open up X app on your mobile device and make sure it's updated to its latest version available. And after that you will be redirected to the home page of your account where all of the posts of people you follow will be available. Now just tap on your profile icon at the top left corner and select settings and privacy. Inside the settings menu, just tap on privacy and safety to access privacy tab, and over there just select audience and tagging. Here there will be a slider present, and if you toggle it on, your profile will be made private. Now currently there is no way of hiding your likes over on Twitter, and this is the most close thing you can do to increase privacy on your Twitter or X account. This is basically how you can hide likes over on Twitter. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.